Namo Buddhaya. Life is too short to be thinking about sensual pleasures, to be thinking about food and cars and all these types of gratification. Life is too short to be thinking about those things. Think about this. Every night before you go to bed, think, wow, yet another day has gone by. My life has shortened by yet another day. In the past, there were people more beautiful than us, more rich than us, more powerful than us. The things that we wish for today, people had them in the past. But where are those people today? The murderer called death got each and every one of them. Now they too took with them the good things they did and the bad. The same way, ever since birth, there has been one thing for certain. It's that our life will end in death. Ever since birth, there has been a murderer behind us, waiting for his chance to take away our life. You see, throughout our life, one thing is for certain. Our life is going to end. So, there's only one thing to do. To make the most of this life. Make the most of this life. Don't waste your life. Think like this. If this is our last moment, think to yourself, did I do the most to secure my life and the next? Namo Buddhaya.